Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Sonic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The taut, strong body lines and powerful stance of Chevy Sonic allude to the power you'll find under its hood. Throw a little extra power into the mix with the available turbocharged engine. So where's the sweet spot? Behind the wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.